welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are opening my Ipsy bag for the month. I'm excited to see what is in here, so let's check it out. Oh, there's a brush and this cute little bag. Oh, look how cute it is. And it's pink, my favorite color. Alright, so I guess right off the bat, we have a brush right here. That is like super pretty. It is a contour 218 in brush from Pravana. So it's like super pretty. Look at this brush. It's, I think, blue. Look how cute that is. Like, I like this handle too. It's like real cool looking. This brush is really pretty. I like it, and these bristles seriously look blue. They're like so cool. So yeah, this brush is really cool. You can hold it like a correct way of a pencil, like how you're taught in school. That's interesting, actually. Anyways, so here's this bag. Oh my gosh, look, it has a little crystal. It's a zipper. I just noticed that. Oh my goodness, I'm in heaven right now. This is so cute. Okay. So there is this cute little thing in here that tells me what I got. Not gonna look at it, like always. Alright, so we saw the brush already. Now this is Phase Zero Makeup Velvet Pressed Eyeshadow. Let's get this little baby out of here. Okay, and this is in the color Velvet. Open. Ooh, look at that. That is so pretty. Like, so purple. And a little cute mirror. I love this. So that is that. Super cute. Next is Duft and Doft Pink Breeze Nourishing Hand Cream. Oh, and it's closed. That's good. We're gonna smell it. It smells very clean. I like how this smells. I'll probably give this to my fiance. He loves lotion a lot because his hands get really dry and like cracked. So hopefully this stuff will be really good for him. I don't need lotion. My hands like do not absorb it for life. They're just like naturally super moist. I don't know why. They've always been this way. And it's weird for living in Colorado. You'd think it would be like drier for me, but no. Whack. Super whack. I don't get it. Ooh. Next is this Ofra lip gloss. Smile for Riley, I'm guessing is what it's called. Let's see if it smells good. Yeah, it does smell good. It's not like a super strong smell though, which is nice. And it's so, look at that color. It's like a pretty pinky peach color. I love this color. I'm excited about this. Ofra has like really pretty lip glosses, I feel like. Alright, and the last thing is Obsidian Waterproof Liquid Liner from Kaleido. I was gonna call it Kaleidoscope. From Kaleido Cosmetics. So this is in a box and it's wrapped. And I have to open it somehow. I'm just gonna go into it the best we can. Do any of you ever have this where it like twists off all weird? I feel like I always end up having to open stuff all funny like that. Okay. So that is what that looks like. Perfect, nice black liquid liner. I love black eyeliner. I've always been obsessed with doing like wings. So I'm super excited to try this out and see how it works. But yeah, so we got eyeliner, lip gloss, super pretty makeup brush, some hand moisturizer, and an eyeshadow. So this was a really cute box. I really like this bag. I just love it, and I'm like obsessed with this cute little crystal handle. It's adorable. I like that it kind of has like a theme sort of to it, but not. It's pretty. I'm not gonna ruin the brush in it, but I like everything that came in this bag, and it's super cute, and I'm super stoked to try all of it out. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you would like to. Comment below and tell me what you got in your Ipsy bag, if it's like way different or exactly the same if you want. And yeah, I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!